Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Lens and giving it camera access so it can read text. Position the equation flat, with good light and no glare. This helps recognition accuracy. Once framed, tap the shutter or import an image from your gallery, and make sure to choose the math or homework mode when Lens highlights equations. This first step matters because clear input reduces errors and speeds up solving. Once you've captured the problem, you'll move on to interpreting and refining the results. Once Lens displays a recognized expression, crop or tap specific parts to isolate the exact equation. This fixes misreads from surrounding text. You should inspect each symbol, change a mistaken minus for a plus or a 1 for an L, because small OCR errors produce wrong solutions. After corrections, tap Solve or Show Steps to get stepwise reasoning. This is how you turn raw image data into mathematical logic, and why checking recognition before solving saves time and clarifies results. Finish by reviewing the solution. Mentally or with quick manual arithmetic, verify the final answer so you understand why it's correct. If Lens misinterprets symbols, improve lighting, take a higher resolution photo, or switch to typing the problem manually. These fixes address OCR limitations. If steps still look wrong, recrop the image or use alternative notation. Retrying often resolves recognition faults. This final verification step ensures you learn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.